All right, today we read 2 Samuel 5 and 1 Chronicles 11 and 12. So we're seeing all these battles and also seeing the person of David being a sinner. One of the things I wonder, and it's probably fairly evident in his personal writings in the Psalms, is did David recognize his sin in his personal life despite his desire to follow the Lord and having such success in war? This should really humble us as we both judge others or judge ourselves as unworthy of God's calling or of success in some area. God continues to use David in many ways despite his failings in some areas. I hope this gives you encouragement. Today, let's respond with a song by Elevation Worship called Available.
See, I'll follow where your spirit leads. Broken as my life may be, I will give you every piece. I hear you call. I am available. I say, yes, Lord.
All right, question for you. Are you available for God to work through you, or are you still making excuses? I want you to know that he's still there either way. Thanks for worshiping with me today. I'm Debbie Bird, and I hope you'll join me again tomorrow.